Bro, what are you doing?
We're filming, remember, for the TV show? We're visiting the Temperate Rainforest. We're going to start in the northern United States, then Europe, and then we're going to go to Australia and finish off in New Zealand.
Oh, yeah. Oh, so wait, is that like your bag then? Like, you ready to go?
Yeah, why do you think I'm dressed up?
Oh.
Oh, wait, one more thing.
Alright, so are you ready to go then, or?
Yeah, I brought you down here first, though, because we needed a climatogram and a food web, and they wanted us to put that in the show. So
alright, well, I mean, since I'm editing the video, I'll just put it in right now.
Can you do that?
Yeah, I can do that.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. Alright.
Then that's everything. Let's go.
Alright.
Hey, did you want to see what's in my bag?
Oh, sure. I mean, I guess. Yeah, here, you want to hold this one? Yep. Alright, canteen of water. It's probably a good idea to start. Dude, instant oatmeal and Fiber One brownie bites? Is this the only food you brought? I mean, like, alright. No response there, I guess. More water. Did you bring anything useful? Oh, here we go. First aid kit and a flashlight. Alright. Is that it? Oh, no, one more. Oh, matches. Alright. It's gonna help us in this rainfall, I guess. And fire starter? Alright, cool. Guess.
I got this knife, too.
Oh, cool.
I think we're set.
I hope so.
Yeah, this is that stinging nettle plant.
What is it, a stinging nettle?
Yeah, it's like really adapted to the rainforest.
Yeah.
And you can eat it raw.
Oh, that's sick, dude, because those brownie bites are gone. No, dude, look at that fire weed growing in there, dude. Must be because it's a forest opening here. I heard those are really good in vitamin C too.
Can I eat it?
I think raw, but probably should cook it first. It's pretty nasty.
Oh no, it's a salmon bird. Yeah, you can eat them raw and they taste like candy. And they grow in warmer climates.
No way, dude. Oh, okay.
I'm not gonna eat it.
Alright, guess that happened. Oh, yo, check this out, Leo. Let me get this. Yo. Look at this cat there, bro. Fine-tuned for a temperate rainforest because it's so used to the warm air and the tons of rain that this climate gets. Apparently you can cook this and eat it like a vegetable.
Oh, yo, look at this.
Yo, what's up?
It's a marmot hole.
A what hole?
A marmot, like groundhogs.
Oh, yeah, I heard of those.
They bury in the ground so they can stay cool during the dry seasons.
Oh.
It's pretty cool.
That looks weird, man. You think I can see one?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yo, do you hear that?
Yeah, it sounds like geese.
Yeah, Canadian geese, bro. I'm pretty sure they're indigenous to this area. Oh my god, they're everywhere. They fly south during the winter though, don't they?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, they probably to avoid all the rain.
Yeah, they're up there.
Yeah, look at that. Yo, check it out, bro.
What is it?
I'm gonna use this nut. I'm gonna try to get a squirrel. I hear there's squirrels all over the place around here.
Really?
Yeah, they hide in the trees to avoid all the rain and like the foliage below. Interesting stuff.
So you think the squirrels are gonna like your nuts?
I think they'll like my nuts.
Okay, whatever you say.
Yeah.
I think that's a footprint from a sitka deer.
Oh yeah, bro, look at it.
I mean, it's gotta be, right? They're
think
pretty
so.
native to this area.
Yeah.
right, cool. I wonder where they went.
Whoa. Did you see that movement over there?
No.
I don't think that was a Sitka deer track. I think that was an elk. Yeah, they're pretty common around here too because of all the low-hanging foliage.
What, do they eat it?
I don't know, dude. I think so. Bro, I hope we don't get attacked by like a bear or something out here. All right, man, where'd you go?
I hope so. Not a knife, so if anything happens.
Oh wait, oh yeah, you do have a knife. Yo, let me see that.
Bro, I think we'd be good.
I don't know, man.
If a bear attacks, a good thing to do is lay on the ground, put your hands over your head so it can't do any damage.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I mean, hopefully you'll think you're dead and will leave. If not, you're kind of screwed.
All right. Bro, what is this?
I think we use this for shelter overnight.
What do you think?
Yeah, well, we probably have to grab some of the nearby branches and like enclose it and stuff.
Yeah, I agree.
Wait, what are we gonna do about like cooking all that food we got earlier? Like the salmon berry?
Yeah, right. We should probably start a fire.
Yeah. Oh, you have fire starter in the kit. We can use that.
Oh, right, yeah.
Yeah, we can use that. Okay. All right.
It's pretty weird.
Yeah. What is this?
I don't know. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, it's slug.
It's a slug.
Yeah.
Should we eat it?
Probably. There's a ton of them around here because of all the rain. They love it.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
Well, once we make a fire, we can eat it.
Yeah. Probably should get started on that.
Yeah. Wait, real quick. Won't the fire burn down the forest?
Not unless we handle it responsibly. You know, clean up after ourselves, take care of it when it's done. Actually, the fire will be good for the biome because of all the burn. It should
Oh, yeah.
give the nutrients more soil. Yeah.
True. All right, we can give it a try.
We have to.
Yeah.
All right. So after all that traveling, we finally made it back. I think personally, when we have to send this into the producers, we should probably pick like around Portland, Seattle, like that temperate rainforest area. That was the best one out of all of them we visited. The rest of them were just kind of weird, bro. I didn't really get it.
I agree. You almost died in Australia, so.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. I guess
All right.
that's it.
Yeah, that's it.